एक प्राउड इंडियन के हिसाब से मैं हमेशा अपना ओडिया कल्चर को प्रमोट की हूँ बहुत सारे माध्यम में। 52 इयर्स के पहले जो हमारे फीमेल विमेन चीफ मिनिस्टर थी नंदिनी सतपथी जी, वो भी इसी सीट से MLA बन के CM बनी थी।
Sofia Firdous, the first Muslim woman elected to the 2024 Odisha Legislative Assembly, represents the Barabati-Cuttack constituency. Born into a Muslim family in Cuttack, Firdous attended a missionary school and is an engineering graduate and an alumnus of the Indian Institute of Management, Bangalore. Her education laid the groundwork for her political journey, which was influenced by her father, Mohammed Moquim, a popular Congress leader. Despite initial hesitation, Firdous' strong campaign and deep connection with the community led to her the electoral success. Firdous defeated her nearest rival Purna Chandra Mahapatra of the BJP by 8,001 votes, reflecting the trust and support of her constituents. She values spirituality and believes it unites people across communities. Firdous has participated in various cultural and religious activities, including Durga Puja, reflecting her deep integration into Cuttack society. She admires Nandini Satpathy, a former Chief Minister of Odisha, for her political acumen and leadership. As a member of the Congress party, Sofia Firdous is poised to play a significant role in the opposition, advocating for various issues and holding the government accountable. Her election represents a new chapter in Odisha's political landscape, promising greater inclusivity and progress. Her journey from an engineering graduate and IIM Bangalore alumna to a pioneering politician embodies resilience and dedication, highlighting the power of the community support and breaking the barriers in pursuit of a more inclusive and representative political system.